Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your crypto education with Udemy step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your email, choose a password, and complete the sign up process. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top to enter cryptocurrency. Review the list of available courses related to cryptocurrency. Take note of rating, price, and duration of each course. Click on a course that interests you for more details. Read the course description and objectives thoroughly. Look for information about the instructor's credentials and experience. Check student reviews to gauge satisfaction and content quality. Make sure the course includes up-to-date information about the crypto market. Look out for any hands-on projects or practical exercises included in the course. Choose the Add to Cart button if you find a fitting course. Proceed to checkout and select your preferred payment method. Once your payment is confirmed, access your course from your profile. Review the curriculum and start with the first module. Take organized notes as you progress through the course. Engage with any quizzes or assignments to test your understanding. Participate in discussion forums to connect with instructors and other students. Consider enrolling in additional courses as your knowledge expands. Track your progress and revisit important topics as needed. After completing the course, download any additional resources provided. Apply what you've learned by exploring real-world applications of cryptocurrency. Continue to follow trends and updates within the crypto space for ongoing education. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.